Remember the famous line, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy? It's a bit creepy, but it does make a point. All work and no play, no bueno. We all understand the importance of team building activities, but the real challenge is making time for these and coming up with new and fun ideas to build trust and camaraderie, especially in a remote team where face-to-face interactions are limited. If your team feels more like distant colleagues than a close-knit group, then this video is for you. I'm Eric with Drawio, and in this video, we're exploring some exciting team building activities that you and your team can participate in within Drawio. These activities are designed to bridge the gap and foster a stronger bond among your remote team members. So let's dive in. Virtual office bingo card. Before jumping into team building activities, it's essential to start by ensuring that everyone is relaxed and open. Sometimes in our eagerness to connect, we overlook the need to begin with something lighthearted. A fantastic way to start is by introducing fun and engaging games. See, these activities help break the ice and create a comfortable atmosphere in which team members feel at ease over time. One of the best games for this purpose is the virtual office bingo cards. Virtual office bingo is a playful game you can easily create in Drawio and share via Confluence. Here's a quick overview of how it works. First, you want to create the grid. Start by opening Drawio and creating a blank grid. Populate the grid with fun and relatable virtual office scenarios. Personalize the bingo cards with inside jokes and specific events unique to your team's experiences. Upload the template to Confluence so that everyone has access to it. Each team member keeps their bingo card open during meetings and marks all scenarios as they occur. The first person to get bingo wins. This simple activity can help break the ice and get everyone laughing, and can help people disarm, allowing them to not take themselves too seriously, setting the stage for a deeper connection later on. Team superlatives. Now let's move on to another fun and engaging activity that can bring your team closer together, the team superlative diagrams. Just like a high school yearbook, awarding team superlatives can add a fun twist to your meetings. This activity encourages team members to recognize each other's unique qualities and contributions in a lighthearted way. Here's how you can set it up. Start by creating a blank template in Drawio with spaces for the different superlative titles. Populate the diagram with humorous and positive superlative titles like best virtual background, most contagious remote energy, or most likely to say what everyone else is thinking. Have team members nominate their peers for each title. This can be done anonymously to add an element of surprise. Share the completed superlative diagram during a team meeting and celebrate the wins. This activity not only brings some fun to your meeting, but also fosters a sense of appreciation and recognition among team members. Next up is another great activity, the remote work survival kit. In remote work, everyone has their unique strategies and items to help them stay productive and sane. Start with a blank page in Drawio. Create sections for different categories like tech gadgets, snacks, personal rituals, and comfort items. Populate the diagram. Have each team member add their items to the relevant sections describing why they're essential for remote work. Once your diagram is complete, share it with the team during the meeting. This can spark interesting conversation and help team members discover new ideas for their own remote work setups. Let's move on to a creative and collaborative activity, the team vision board. A vision board can be a powerful tool for setting goals and visualizing the future. Here's how you can create a team vision board in Drawio. Create sections for different aspects of the team's vision, such as career goals, personal growth, and team achievements. Have each team member add their own goals and vision to the board. Encourage them to use images, text, and other visual elements to add a personalized touch to their contributions. Once the vision board is complete, share it during the team meeting. Each team member can present their section, explaining their goals and sharing their reasons why they added certain contributions to the vision board. We know that we have a job to do and work to accomplish, but feeling connected as a team is an integral part of achieving that. By incorporating fun and engaging activities like the ones we shared, you can help build trust and camaraderie and a sense of belonging even in a remote work environment. As the Agile mantra goes, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Prioritizing human connection within your team can lead to greater collaboration and productivity. What are some fun activities that you've done with your remote team to help build connections? Share your ideas in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, would you please like and subscribe? And of course, if you haven't already, you can try Drawio for free for 30 days. Just head over to the Atlassian Marketplace. Until next time, stay connected.